Do you want to transport yourself to a different world without leaving your room? Maybe you recorded a video with a green screen, but you do not know how to remove it properly. If you do it wrong, the edges look fuzzy and amateur, but with Filmora 15, you can get a perfect Hollywood key in seconds. Today, I am going to show you how to use Chroma Key to remove any background instantly. First, drag your background video or image onto the first track of your timeline. Next, drag your green screen footage onto the track above it. It is important that the green screen video is on top, so it overlays the background. Now, double-click on the green screen clip to open the settings panel. On the right side, make sure you are in the Video tab. Select the submenu labeled AI Matting. Find the option for Chroma Key, and click the switch to turn it on. Filmora will automatically detect the green color and remove it. But if the color is not quite right, click the eyedropper tool. Move your mouse over the preview window and click on the greenest part of your background. This tells Filmora exactly which shade of green to remove. Now, play back your video. Your subject is perfectly placed in a new environment, with clean edges. You have just unlocked the power of visual effects. If this tutorial helped you master the green screen, please hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 magic tricks.